How to place an order on KFC app. So first things first, here are simple steps. Go into your Google Play Store or any available app store that you can use on your device. Type in KFC and then just simply choose on KFC application depending on which country you are. Download and install this. Once you've successfully downloaded it, simply access the application and you can decide to set up your current address, email, or phone later. So this is going to be your KFC dashboard. This is going to be your home, coupons, menu, and sign in option. So for you to be able to place an order, just go directly into menu. And then once you've chosen the favorite food that you would like to have, you will be redirected to input your delivery address if you choose on customize and order. So additional information is you can choose between delivery or pickup. Once you're choosing on delivery, you'll have to input your current address and it has to be accurate and will be pinpoint directly into the address on the map. You could also try to pick it up, and KFC will provide you all the specific physical store that is going to be their nearest in your area. Once you've chosen customize an order, you'll be redirected in the payment method, pay for it, and the food will be delivered. And that's it. That's how you place an order on KFC app.